My name is Riya and this is the first time I'm making a sit down video, but there are going to be many more like this, irrespective of the fact how many like, views, or subscribe it gets. Because it took me a long way to reach where I am today. I picked up my phone a million times before and not had the courage or the phone or the lighting or the mic or the sound system or the caliber to record it and post it online. But it's all in the past now. I'm recording this video on 12th June, right after I heard the news of the plane crash in Ahmedabad. And there is something that I want to tell you guys about it. All of a sudden in my life, one day my dad woke up and had a heart attack, and before we knew, he was in the hospital. 98% of open heart surgeries in India are successful. That is what the data says, but the 2% gets really unlucky, and one of them was my dad. Life changed in the blink of an eye, and it took me a very long time to understand that you are supposed to be grateful for whatever you have today. If you are waking up with a healthy body, a healthy mind, and if you have a roof over your head, food to eat, and at least and even two people to call your own, you have an amazing life. You can take your life from there to anywhere. Today I sit in this very comfortably lit AC room, but I have had my days. I'll attach a picture of my room where I stayed for like 2 years before I made a switch into another better room. Life is not fair, so you do not fight it. You take what you have and you make the best out of it. People often ask me, how do I manage to go to the gym every single day? It's because as a child, I used to look at these glass-walled gyms and think, will I be able to afford the membership of one of such gyms? And today, when I can, I will not miss one opportunity to show up. Because that is all I can do. I can show up, and that is what you can do. You can show up. This is not another Sandeep Maheshwari video. This is just a normal human being who grew up among you, telling you that if I can do it, you can too. If I can dream and get that life, you can too. All you need to do is have some gratitude and understand that this is all that we have got. There is no promise of tomorrow. So you got to live today as if it is the last day. And you also have to live as if this is not the last day. You have to treat yourself like you're the most important person. And when you see beauty in yourself, you will see beauty in others. My glow up from this to this was not just about me losing 10 kgs. It was about me finding myself. I have had dreams that I had to give up because of the circumstances. I always had two choices, either to sit and crib about it or to get up and find something else to do and keep moving forward in my life. I chose the second path. I know people who did not choose the second path. I don't know. It's just if you are alive, if you can breathe well, you can change your life. It's on you. It's in you. Educate yourself. Read good books. The people who were in that plane had plans. They were going from India to London. I would have killed to be on that plane. But I was not there. I am here. And they lost their life. And only the people who are related to them, their family knows the pain. I mean, I am sure there were people in their home, in their families who were waiting for them to reach London, or maybe people who they just met in India and they were, I don't know, maybe there were people who saved up their entire life to be on that plane. And there were people who were on that plane to go attend their children's graduation ceremony. There were people with dreams, ambition, and today it does not matter कि चार लोग क्या कहेंगे. All I want to say is, it took me a long time and I'm just trying to give back. Do not seek validation. If you want to post that piece of content, do it. If you want to join the gym, do it. If you want to start eating healthy, do it. If you want to quit smoking, do it. Do it today. You have 1,000 reasons to worry. You can worry about having a job tomorrow. You can worry about not having a job tomorrow. You can worry about anything. But as long as you're grateful for what you have, every day is going to be golden. I honestly don't care if I don't have tomorrow because I live today, right? Even if people don't like this video, I know that there are children in my home, my brother, my friends. They're going to love it. And even if they don't, I know that I'll be proud of myself because I came out here and spoke to you guys. So there's probably going to be a part 2. But till then, pray for the people who died and have some gratitude.